Hello everyone, I'm Kui. Today I'm going to present my dashboard of Google Play Store apps download information as my midterm submission of CIS 9467. This dataset summarizes the basic information of apps in Google Store, and it can be used to present what type of apps perform better than others. I download this dataset from Kaggle. Go to this website. This is the home page where I got Google App Dataset. See, this dataset was updated 2 months ago. Just click Download, and we can start to visualize the dataset. First, let's have a quick view of my dataset. The first column is the app's name. The following are category, ratings, number of reviews, size of app, number of reinstalls, pricing, and last update date, and so on. See that I made some adjustment to my dataset. I use bucket to divide size of apps into 10 groups, such as 0 to 10M, 10 to 20M. I also grouped price into 7 groups. Buckets can provide us a more concise and clear visualization. Let's return to my dashboard. First, in my upper left corner, there's an app information search bar. I can click the drop-down menu to find the app for quick review. For example, let's choose ABC Mouse. You can see its basic information: site, category, type, price, number of reviews, and installs. Also, here's the rating. I use conditional formatting to visualize the rating. If the score is greater than 4.0, it's highlighted as green, and if score is less than 3.5, it's in red highlight. This app, ABC Mouse, scored 4.3 with green highlight. So what about another one? Say we want to see Able Coder. It has a 3.1 rating with a red highlight. This is the box plot of rating by categories. The box plot chart next to the search bar shows us the distribution of ratings by each category. We can clearly see the most frequent ratings in each category. Seems like these categories have similar distribution, or have an average ratings like 4.3 or 4.4. However, we can see that a light blue box, this one, and a gray box have higher position than others. This light blue box is education, and the gray one is events. This tells us apps in education and events category may have better performance than others, because they have a better ratings. Let's see the upper right chart. This shows us the minimum, average, and max ratings in each category. Let's see family with a minimum 1, average 4.19, and 5, and maximum 5. Remember that in box plot chart, we conclude that event and education have a better rating. See, let's try to click education and event. They do have a higher minimum and average ratings. Let's scroll down. These are dynamic charts I created for Google App information. First chart is rating distribution. The whole distribution looks like a bell curve, with the most frequent ratings around 4.4, and fewer high and low ratings. The bottom chart shows the last update date. See that many apps were updated in 6 months, and most of them were updated in 1 year. But there are still some apps that haven't been updated for about 7 years. The bar chart in the middle is the total installs. It summarizes the most popular apps categories with frequent download and installs. The top 3 of installs are games, family, and communication, and the bottom 3 of installs are comic, beauty, and events. This pie chart shows us the percentage of free apps and paid apps. I grouped paid apps into 7 groups and show in the bar chart. We can see that most of the apps are free, with about 7% apps less than $10. Apps that charge more than $10 are of very, very small percentage. The bottom bar chart shows us the distribution of app size. The chart in right corner is the total amount apps in Google Store. Family, game, and tools have the most apps, and in beauty and event, there are only 30 apps each. Remember, I mentioned that these are dynamic charts, so let's try to use filter. In rating bucket, we click 3 to 3.99 and compare to 4 to 5. We can see that most apps with a rating over 4 were updated from May 2018. But apps with rating 3 to 3.99 were updated from April. What's more, in 3 to 3.99 rating group, we can see that most popular apps are news and magazines. But in 4 to 5 rating group, the most popular apps are games. Let's click the games in category. We can see the chart of rating distribution, size distribution, total installs, and total apps all change after we click games. See that the chart of app size. In games, there are more large size apps than other categories. From chart total installs, we can know how many games are installed. Total 296,000 games are installed, with ratings greater than 4.0. Let's go to the pie chart. About 92 games are free. To see the details of paid apps, we can click paid in apps type. Then it shows that about 97% of games charge less than $10, with about 3% charge $11 to $20. They are not more expensive games. So what if I want to know what type of apps are most expensive? Let's reset the filter. Then click 31 to 40 in pricing. See that there are medical and lifestyle apps, but no one downloads them. There are zeros. Then I click 71 to 80. There are 2 medical apps charging around 80, but also no download. What about over 100? Only one lifestyle app and finance app are installed. See, there are 1. Excel is amazing. We can not only use Excel to store data and perform simple calculation, but also we can use it to visualize data. By doing this midterm project, I think it's very helpful to link one slicer to many dynamic charts. So with only one simple click, every chart is refreshed to show the data we want to review. It's easy to create a dynamic dashboard by Excel spreadsheet, which gives us a clear and interesting way to analyze data. This is my presentation of CIS 9467. Thanks to help from my professor, Andrew Weller, and also thank you for listening.